use it.
Drop your sign.
Good job. Did that better than most people.
Look straight at the camera and say, I'm Dalton Gombeda and I want to be a race Gombeda. Okay. So you say, I'm Dalton Gombeda and I want to be a race car driver.
When can I start?
Right
Whenever
now.
you're ready. Hold the mic up here. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3.
Go! I'm Dalton. I would like to be a race car driver. Go for it.
Say it.
Tell him why.
He's got to say it.
There you go. Let's start
Yeah.
with something easier. Who's your favorite superhero? Favorite
No.
color?
Favorite car. No? Once it's done, it's done.
You could be an animal. What kind of animal would you be? Penguin?
Say it real fast. Say it real funny. Say, I'm Dalton, I want to be a race car driver.
Dalton, I want to be a race car driver.
Woo!